Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there. Hello. Okay, let's just start with the first lesson, that is which metric unit of length is appropriate. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is which metric unit length is appropriate, right? So the first one is which is a better estimate for the height of a 10-story building. You are given 38 meters and 38 centimeters. So which is the correct option? Centimeter is a smaller unit and meter is the bigger unit. So because that is a 10-story building, so that would be 38 meters, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Which is a better estimate for the length of a dolphin? 2 centimeter, 2 meter. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 2 meters, right? Because that is a dolphin and centimeter is too small for the length of a dolphin, right? So that would be 2 centimeter, 2 meters, sorry. Which is a better estimate for the height of a door? 3 meters, 3 centimeters. Which is the correct option? Yes, door it is, right? So for the door, it would be meters, right? Because centimeter is too small for the door. Got it? The next one is which is a better estimate for the length of a mouse tail? 8 meter, 8 centimeter. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is that is just a mouse tail. So that would be 8 centimeters because meter is too long for the length of the mouse tail, right? So that would be 8 centimeters. Got it? The next one is which is a better estimate for the height of a five-story building. So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is that is a five-story building. So, it is 16 meters, right? Because centimeter is too small for the five-story building, right? Which is a better estimate for the length of a paintbrush, 23 meters or 23 centimeters, which is the correct option? Yes, that is the length of a paintbrush, right? So that would be 23 centimeter because for the paint, yes, that is 23 centimeters. Good. The next one is which is a better estimate for the length of a car key, 6 centimeter, 6 meter, which is the correct option? The car key it is, right? So it must be 6 centimeter because very good. 6 meter is too long for the car key. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is metric unit of length word problems. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Tracy's school bus is 20 meters long. Pamela's school bus is 4 meters shorter than Tracy's. How many meters how many meters long is Pamela's school bus? So just read the question carefully, understand the question and you can find the answer. We are working on grade 2 math. The chapter we are working on is unit of measurement and the lesson we are working on is metric unit of length with problems. Okay, how Tracy's school bus is 12 meter long, right? So Pamela's school bus is 4 meters shorter than Tracy's, right? So how many meter long is Pamela's school bus? You have to subtract 4 from 12, right? Because you are given Pamela's school bus is 4 meters shorter than Tracy's, so that would be 12 take away 4. So 12 take away 4 is 8 it is. That means Pamela's school bus is 8. The correct option is 8 meter. How you answered 5 meter? The correct option is 8 meters. Just read the question, understand the question, and then you can answer. That would be 8 meters. The piece of silver ribbon is 13-meter long. The piece of green ribbon is 1 meter shorter than the piece of silver ribbon. The piece of red ribbon is 4 meter longer than the silver ribbon. So, how many centimeter long is the piece of red ribbon? Which is the correct option? Okay, the silver is 13-meter long, right? Then green one is 1 centimeter shorter than the silver one, right? Okay, the silver one is 13 centimeter long. The green is 1 centimeter shorter than the price of silver one, right? Then the piece of silver, and that means you have to do 13 take away 1. So 13 take away 1 is 12. That is the green ribbon. The piece of red ribbon is 4 meter longer than the piece of silver. Silver is 13, that would be 13 plus 4, and 13 plus 4 is 17. So the correct option is 17. Got it? Wen's ladder is 12-meter tall. Dale's ladder is 7 meters shorter than the Wen's. Taylor's ladder is 2 meter taller than the Wen's. Who has the shortest ladder? Which is the correct option? That is Dale's ladder is the smallest one, right? The correct option is Dale's ladder because you can see here Wen's is 12-meter tall. Dale's ladder is 7 meters shorter than Wen's, right? So Dale has the shorter one. The correct option is Dale. Understand the question first, right? Scarlett's mouse is 17 meters long. Eric's mouse is 1 centimeter longer than Scarlett's. Jennifer's mouse is 4 meters shorter than the Scarlett's. So, which is the correct option? Which mouse is shorter than 16 centimeter? Which is the correct option? Jennifer has the smallest mouse. Jennifer mouse is shorter than 16 centimeter, right? The correct option is Jennifer's mouse. Kim's school bus is 16-meter long. Akash school bus is 6 meters shorter than Kim's. How many meter long is Akash school bus? So, which is the correct option? Basically, you have to calculate the length of the Akash school bus, right? So, how do we calculate and which is the correct option? Kim's school bus is 16, right? Akash school bus is 6 meters shorter than the Kim's. So, yeah, that means you need to subtract 6 out of 16. So, the correct option is yes, that is just 10 meters. The correct option is 10. Bob's paintbrush is 18 centimeter long. Oliver's paintbrush is 1 centimeter shorter than the Bob's. Who has the longer paintbrush? Yes, very good. Bob has the longer paintbrush. The correct option is Bob. In Camilla's desk organizer, Silver paper clips are 7 centimeter long. Green paper clips are 2 centimeter longer than the silver clips. Red papers are 1 centimeter shorter than the silver paper clips. Which paper clips are longest? Green paper clips or red paper clips? Which is the correct option? The correct option is green paper clips are the longest one, right? The correct option is green paper clips. In dog's house, the office is 5 meters long. The kitchen is 2 meters shorter than the office. The bedroom is 1 meter longer than the office. How many meters long is the bedroom? Which is the correct option? How many meters long is the bedroom? The bedroom is 6 centimeters long. The correct option is 6. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. So the next lesson is which metric unit of weight is appropriate? Which is okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which is a better estimate for the weight of a 50 grams or 50 kilograms? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The better estimate for the weight of the robin is, I think, 50 grams, because 50 kilograms is too much. Yes, that is 50 grams, not kilograms. Kilograms is too much. Kilograms is a bigger unit, right? So that is, which is a better estimate for the weight of a chicken? 2 kilogram, 2 grams. Which is the correct option? The weight of a chicken, 2 kilograms, 2 grams. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Videos to follow. Excellent. That is 2 kilograms, right? Because 2 grams is very small for the weight of a chicken, so that would be 2 kilograms. Got it? Which is a better estimate for the weight of a backpack? Backpack full of books, which is the correct option? Because that is the full of. So the next lesson is which metric unit of weight is appropriate? That is 11 kilograms, right? Because that is a backpack full of books. 11 grams is too small. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a piece of candy corn, which is the correct option? Candy corn, yes, that would be 2 grams because 2 kilograms is too much. Very good. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a crayon? 6 grams, 6 kilograms. That is 6 grams. Very good. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a skateboard? 4 kilograms, 4 grams. Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 4 kilograms because that is a skateboard. 4 grams is too small for the skateboard, right? Which is the better estimate for the weight of a raisin? Yes, that is just a raisin, right? That would be 2 grams. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a coffee table, which is the correct option? Coffee table it is. So that would be 12 kilograms, right? Which is a better estimate for the weight of a toothbrush? 17 grams, 17 kilograms. Yes, that is just a toothbrush, so that would be 17 grams. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a washing machine? Which is the correct option? That is washing machine, so it would be 49 kilograms, right? The correct option is 49 kilograms. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a DVD player? 3 grams or 3 kilograms? That is a DVD player, right? That would be 3 kilograms. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and that is, I think, the last lesson from the chapter, unit of measurement, and the lesson is which is the metric unit, which metric unit of volume is appropriate. So here you have the metric units for the uh, volume. Let's just start with the first one, which is a better estimate for the volume of a test tube, 13 milliliters or 13 liters, which is the correct option. That is 13 milliliters, because that is just a test tube, right? Test tube is too small. So 13 liters is too much for the test tube, right? Which is a better estimate for the volume of a cylinder, 2 liters, 2 milliliters, which is the correct option. That is just a blender, right? It must be 2 liters, not milliliters, because milliliter is too small for the blender. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a grocery bag, 3 milliliters, 3 liters. Grocery bag it is. That would be 3 liters. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a mustard packet, which is the correct option? 16 milliliters or 16 liters? Sixteen liters is too much. I think that would be 16 millimeters. Yes. Okay, the next one is which is a better estimate for the volume of a coffee pot, which is the correct option? That would be 2 milliliters because 2 that would be 2 liters, right? The correct option is 2 liters. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a shampoo bottle? 1 milliliter, 1 liter. Which is the correct option? That is 1 liter, the correct option. No milliliter is too small. That would be 1 liter, or 1 milliliter is too small. Which is the better estimate for the volume of a thimble? 2 liters, 2 milliliters. Which is the correct option? That is 2 milliliters. The next one is which is a better estimate for the volume of an eyedropper? Which is the correct option? So that is an eyedropper, right? So it must be 5 milliliters, right? Which is a better estimate for the volume of a cereal box? 3 liters, 3 milliliters. The correct option is 3 liters. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a kitchen sink? 18 milliliters, 18 liters. Which is the correct option? That would be 18 liters. The correct option is 18 liters. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a pepper shaker? Which is the correct option? That is 48 milliliters because 48 liters is too much for the paper shaker, right? Which is the better estimate for the volume of a water pitcher? Which is the correct option? It must be 2 liters, right? The correct option is 2 liters. Very good. Which is the better estimate for the volume of a bottle of nail polish? That would be, yes, 11 millimeters because that is just a small bottle. Which is a better estimate for the volume of dose of cough syrup? Which is the correct option? Cough syrup it is. Which is the correct option? That is 14 milliliters, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 2 math. Chapter working on is unit of measurement. The lessons we have covered today are which metric unit of length is appropriate, metric units of length word problem, which metric unit of weight is appropriate, and which metric unit of volume is appropriate, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any question related to the lesson we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any, right? Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.